To ask about the manner or method of doing something. How to do, how can, how do, how does. Can you show me how to do this? Do you know how can I get to the airport? How do you solve this math problem? How does this machine work? To inquire about the state or condition of something. How are, how is, how are shash, how are you feeling today? How is the weather outside? How were the results of the experiment? To ask about the degree or extent of something. How much, how many, how often, how long? How much does this cost? How many books do you have? How often do you visit your grandparents? How long will it take to finish the project? To ask for the reason or cause of something. How come you didn't attend the meeting yesterday? How come you're so late? To inquire about the way something happened or occurred. How come, how did you know that? How come you decided to change your mind? Common collocations with how. How about, how to, how much, how long? How about going for a walk after dinner? I'm not sure how to approach this task. How much time do we have before the meeting starts? Can you tell me how long the event will last?